Hi, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Woohoo! So today I have something creepy. My husband says, "Ew, that's gross. Shut it back up." And I was like, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So what does he hate that I love? Repurposed angel dolls. Dollies, dollies, dollies. Look how cute that is. So these are repurposed antique fabrics made into angel dolls. There is even a little antique postcard somebody made for their grandmother, and super cute. How adorable, how inventive. Whoever did this is amazing. It has a little mohair wig. Look at that. This is going to be hard to give up. I don't know if I can. Sorry. I might just hold on to these for a little while. These are just so precious. The fabrics are like a brocade. This might have been dyed a little bit to make it extra vintagey. You can tell the fabrics are really old. So cool. It looks like somebody may have put this together from like their grandmother's little vintage collection. I mean, so cool. And here's another one. And I haven't seen these yet. I waited to share it with all of you. Oh, how cute. That is adorable. Look at her. Look at her. She's got little cute feet. She's got red mohair, a wig. Oh, that is so sweet. And mohair is expensive. If you find it like in a crafty section or at a garage sale, pick it up. People like me like to make wigs out of them for their little dollies. Actually, I have a dolly sitting here. I haven't listed her yet. I just noticed her back here. She snuck in here. She wants to play too. Oh, I love these little dollies. I love to pick them up. I can't help it. I still like to play with dolls. What can I say? So adorable. How cute is she? Oh, some of them are really well made. You can definitely tell the quality ones. But look at somebody hand painted her. They put these little leaves. Looks like it was made from like an old apron maybe. It's that kind of fabric. That's so darling. So darling. And here's another little dolly. She's got cute little feet with little socks. These look like they were maybe tea dyed with a fabric. This fabric with her dress is probably like a, I would say probably 80s. Red mohair. Red hair dolls are definitely more of a fetched item. She's so cute. How cute is she? I love these dollies. I love these dollies. Well, I'll show you what other things that you can find on the internet and what they sell for. Oh, they're going back in their box to be creepy. My husband says I look like I have dolls in a coffin. The box fits. I mean, what can I say? Okay, so here we have OOAK needle sculpted potato pantyhose shelf sitting soft doll. So the keywords I would use would be like repurposed or OOAK or homemade, home crafted, those kind of words to find dolls that are just one of a kind, interesting things out there. And a lot of them are made, as you can see here, with vintage items. I know this fringe is probably from the 60s, so that's really cute. It's kind of got like a 60s vibe. And this is kind of a modern interpretation of something that used to be more in style in the 80s, which is right here. See these little guys? These used to be so in style in the 80s. I think I might even have one to list. And sometimes they were dolls and sometimes they were door stoppers. And these were called pantyhose potato dolls. And as you can see from their faces and their skin, they're actually made out of pantyhose. Isn't that cute? And these are actually really well done. These have a lot of detail. Sometimes they look more like a potato. Oh, look at her little feet are even colored. So cute. And these are definitely a vintage item from the 80s. It was definitely a popular thing back then. Okay, so I thought that was fun to see because I almost forgot about them altogether. And they sold for $79.95. Here is a Marcia Backstrom Dollhouse doll. So this is actually a miniature doll, and this is a one-of-a-kind, and this sold for over $4,700. I'm about to get my crafts out. This is making me want to do some crafts. It just takes a little bit of imagination. So if you're super bored, go out and make some dolls. That is amazing. Here's a Gretchen Lima collector doll, OOAK, 15-inch fabric fiber art, guardian angel, Bertina, and she looks like she's just kind of made out of scrap things. And I wonder if she's made out of pantyhose too. That could be. And this one sold for $110. So this is a big 30-inch hanging folk art cloth angel hanging artist doll, primitive wood wings. This is so cute. I would have totally bought that. This is $109 and they took an offer. And this is made out of a repurposed nightgown or one of those underdresses. It's an antique piece that they had repurposed into a new doll. So this was probably like a child's nightgown. And look at that beautiful lace. Beautiful. This was a really cute doll. And if you're a crafty person, this might give you some ideas on what to make too. Here's an OOAK Norma Schneemann folk art cloth angel hanging doll artist 2001 primitive 17 inches. They could have tea dyed it. When I look at that pattern, it does look like a Waverly. So this could be dyed to look old. You can probably hear the TV behind me. I was watching a jewelry show. Okay, here's an OOAK artist doll, Angel, by Kira Kanash. This was $555 and they took an offer. This is a OOAK, and this is either real hair or could be mohair. Look at this repurposed dress. How beautiful is that? I love these one-of-a-kind dolls that have been repurposed out of old things. Things that would usually just go in the trash, and they're being saved. And look at how beautiful that is. Absolutely amazing. This one sold for $75, and it's an OOAK, one of a kind. Cloth art doll, soft sculptured, yoga homemade clothing, complete 23 inches. Now this one is an antique 1900s folk art handmade cloth rig doll, original dress. Could be like the 20s era. So this sold for $153.50. Now if you think about it, all antique dolls are one of a kind. So if you're looking for something like that, that's just another thing to think about. And here is an antique lot of homemade dolls, vintage mix lot of 19 total for $250. I just wanted to show you this to say that you can always buy a lot of dolls and then resell them individually too. Here are pillowcase dolls. These are one of a kind, and these are repurposed old pillowcases. I used to make these and also pillowcase dresses for girls. That sold for $30. And also you can look for lots of linens and doilies and repurpose those. Look how cute that stuff is. Very, very pretty. And here are clothes that have holes that you can repurpose. This one sold for $53. And here's one that's still for sale. I loved their eBay name. And this is made out of French cloth, an antique dress. Look how cute that is. Hope that gives you some really good ideas of what's out there and what to look for and what things can sell for. Good luck finding things, and if you're a reseller, good luck selling things. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.